Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I wanted to go over the Petal One Visa credit card. Now I already did this video before, but now I want to do like a review of my blog and answer some questions that I actually got in the comments. Now somebody said that they actually got approved for $1,000, so congratulations to you. So that is really good. They got approved for $1,000, but I want to go over the credit card and answer any other questions I see on here. So let me start recording my screen. I want you all to be able to look at what I'm looking at, and I want you guys to see exactly what's going on. So this is the video here, and here are some of the comments. So somebody said, thank you so much. You're absolutely amazing. I've been watching your videos about the shopping cart trick and my credit is terrible. I'm working. I did some of the stuff that you said. They said they got the Alta card. It's basically about the shopping cart trick. That comment that's right there. But look right here. This is the one where they got approved. So they said they got approved for $1,000. They had a 660 credit score. So they had a 660 credit score. They said, I'm thinking because I got the low credit limit because my utilization was at 49%. I tell you all, please make sure you keep your utilization low. Like, pay off your credit cards if you can. Try not to apply for any additional credit cards until you pay down your credit cards. And if for some reason you can't pay down your credit cards, do like I used to do, or sometimes too, if I want to, I got 0% on a certain credit card, same thing I would do now. But this is what I would do. I would make sure that I pay off my bill and wait till they report to credit bureaus, and then I will use the credit card again. That way they will report a low balance, and then I'll make sure I take money from things that I was going to use cash with anyway. So that's what I like to do. And I have a calendar here. Check out this calendar. It will tell you like the dates that you should actually pay. You got your due date, the day that is due. Then you have your statement date. That's the day that the statement is going to close. That's the day they're going to report to the credit bureaus. I want you to use your card the day after. But they said they had a 49% utilization. They said usually it's below 15, but they've been doing some business play at the moment, so it shot up. So yeah, but that's still good that you got approved for 1,000. You can always ask them if you can actually get an increase, and hopefully you will. Somebody said, is there any fees on this card? We'll definitely go over that. Somebody said it's a great video. Thank you. Great video, but it's not for me. Good cards for beginner and people that starting off. Somebody said that Credit One Bank gave them an increase, gave them they increased their limit to $1,000, and they have no annual fees. I love Credit One Bank, but I don't like the fees that's attached to them. But let's look at this card. So I actually have a blog. So I created my blog, you guys. You'll see it right in the comments on the bottom of the video. So let me show you. It's actually here. So you'll actually see it here. So you can actually click right there and you can check out the blog. That way, now you can see I have this full video. I have the full video for the Petal One credit card. You can definitely check that out. You can pre-qualify for their credit card on their website. Now, pre-qualifying means that if you accept the offer, if you accept it, you're going to get a hard inquiry, but they can tell you yes or no without give you that hard inquiry. And you do that on website. Now, I have a free downloadable guide, you all. So on this free downloadable guide, it tells you think about the credit card. You can apply right there on it for the credit card, and then it tell you 3 similar credit cards. It's just a guide that I think that if you really want this credit card, you download that guide, try to get this credit card, and then try to get the similar credit cards. It's just everything there is organized. So definitely download that guide if you like this credit card. I tell you guys are not going to have an annual fee. The credit limit for this credit card is going to be between $300 and $5,000. You can pre-qualify for this credit card. They are going to look at your banking history, so make sure that you guys don't have any overdrafts. Make sure you guys have money in your account because that's some things they're going to look at. They don't have any foreign transaction fees, so you guys can use this credit card outside of the country without getting charged any additional fees. Now, I wrote a few things down. What is the Visa Petal card? So if you guys want to read these different things, you definitely can. I talk about how you can pre-qualify it for it, what credit score is needed for it. And I also put on here too, if you guys are concerned about your credit score and you have a good banking history, look into the Tomo credit card. So I have that here. You guys can look into the Tomo credit card, because with the Tomo credit card, they can also pre-qualify you in a way, and then they're going to look at your banking history and approve you just off your banking history. Petal One is going to, the Petal One Visa card is actually going to look at your credit reports too. But definitely look into the Tomo card if you just want to use your banking history and in general. That's it. So I put 2. Is it a good card? Which one is better, the Petal 1 or Petal 2? So with the Petal card, it's actually 2 different cards. You got Petal 1 and then you have the Petal 2. So I put something on there if you guys want to read that. And then in as little as 6 months, you can get an increase on this card. But I just have a lot of things you guys can look over. Now I want to talk to you guys about the similar credit cards. The similar credit cards is a Capital One Platinum card that can actually pre-qualify you all without a they can pre-qualify you all without a hard inquiry. Remember this though, you guys, if you accept the offer, it's going to be a hard inquiry. People don't understand that. If you accept it, it's going to be a hard inquiry. So keep that in mind. We also have a Tomo credit card. I told you all about that. That's the one I can just look at your banking history and that's it. Somebody said you at least should have $1,000 in your account. Somebody said that they got approved without having $1,000. So, you know, just see how that's going to go. We also have the Mission Lane credit card too. Now, those are the credit cards that's similar. Now, if you ever want to find other credit cards, I'll have something else on my website where you can look at all the different credit cards. You can find the credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, balance transfer credit cards, personal loans, secure credit cards for those people that's looking to like build their credit. I have those. And then the bad credit okay cards. So if you have bad credit, you're looking to get a credit card, you can definitely check that out. And then other blogs that I have written are here. And then you're going to see some of them say credit review coming soon. That's because I still have to make that video, but it's definitely coming soon. You guys are going to see those this year or maybe even sooner. Now, I want to look at the website. So let's click on apply now, just so you guys can see. So some of you asked what the interest rate is. So the interest rate is going to range between 22.24% and 31.74%. So that's going to be the interest rate on this credit card. There are no annual fees. The credit limit is between $300 and $5,000. We talked about that. And you guys are going to get cash back. You're going to get 2% to 10% cash back at select merchants. So I really like that you guys won't have an annual fee. This is the type of credit card where you're trying to build your credit, or maybe you already have a credit card or two, and you just want to add another credit card on, and you don't want to have an annual fee. This is that card that you can keep for a while. So I really like this card. And for some reason, if you can't get approved for this credit card, definitely looking to sign up for my exclusive membership. In my exclusive membership, we can look and see what you have to do to increase your credit score. You see that person on the YouTube video, they talked about their utilization and things like that. If you didn't know about how utilization could affect you, we could have easily looked at your credit reports and like told you these different things. So if you guys ever have questions about like, how do I get approved for more, I'm not getting approved for these credit cards, definitely look into my exclusive membership, because we could say, hey, you probably need to remove these accounts right here, you need to pay off this account, you need to settle this. We could tell you the rundown on what you need to do. But definitely look into my exclusive membership. It's only $1 trial to sign up. Now, hopefully you guys love these type of videos where I actually sit down and record my screen for you all. Hopefully this was helpful, and hopefully you guys are able to get approved for these credit cards. Definitely check out these other videos that YouTube think that you guys are going to be interested in. And